Over the last 3 years, the UNEXUP team has come a long way. During the journey, they were sailing on uncharted waters full of challenges and rewards. Many things were learned from the UNEXMIN project, and the experiences were integrated to the new project and most of all to the new robot. The UX-1 Neo and its controlling system were tested in various conditions. Probably the most interesting test happened in the Kobanya mine, Budapest, where the first full autonomous dive was achieved. During this 3 years, 4 commercial missions were scheduled, but more sites were visited, all presenting specific difficulties. In the Hungarian Csor-Kast well, where a precise survey was needed for planning the renovation of the well, total disinfection was required, as it's a potable water source. In Solotvino in Ukraine, an abandoned salt mine had to be dived for risk assessment. The salinity is changing considerably with the depth. Therefore, a specific robotic cage was designed to carry the UX-1 Neo all the way down to 370 meters in a shaft scattered with rusty metal structures. Density change was not an issue in the South Crofty mine, UK, but the visibility was almost zero, so the maneuvering had to rely almost entirely on the sonar data when diving to 300 meters in a narrow shaft to provide data for the engineers working on reopening this tin tungsten mine. The UX-1 Neo's capabilities were not only harvested in the industry, but scientific research was also conducted. In the Ecton mine heritage site, old mine workings were rediscovered and mapped so we can have a better understanding how mining was done in the 18th century. 2 cave research missions were also carried out. In the Molnár János cave, Hungary, the maze-like passage structure with its twists and turns was a perfect test for both navigation and mapping, while resulting in a detailed geological map of cave sections. The Hronica Abyss in the Czech Republic is known to be the world's deepest underwater cave. On a previous expedition, an ROV reached 440 meters here. In August 2022, the UX-1 Neo broke the world record during the mapping of the cave to a depth of 450 meters. From the gathered data, it's obvious that the cave goes even deeper. Good perspective for the UX-2 Deep, as it is depth graded to 1,500 meters, perfectly capable of continuing the exploration. Although the project ends, development is ongoing with our commercialization partner UNEXMIN Geo-Robotics Limited, who offers the robotic survey on the market and seeks for new challenges and opportunities.